What are you eating, Zuri?
I'm eating fruit.
What is that fruit?
Apple.
Banana fruit. Okay.
Apple.
Then what is this?
Apple.
What is this, Zuri?
Apple. Mango.
Mango. That's a ripe mango. This is a green mango.
Wala ko bang alam ko si Julia?
What is this? Meron na isa. Ka-age ni Zuri ay mas mata. Orange. Very
What
good.
is this?
What color is this?
Orange.
Orange. Good job. How about this? What is this?
Iyagawa niyo to, di ba? Ha?
Grape.
Iyagawa niyo ba?
What color is the grapes? Oo. Purple. Great. Don't drop it. Careful. Okay, put it down now. This is your Bidet's favorite. Banana! You're eating banana, Bidet. Okay, what is this? What is this, Zuri? What is this? Zuri! What is this? Apple. That's your favorite, right? Yeah, what color is the apple?
Red apple.
Red apple. Good job. What
What
color is the banana? Zuri. What color is your banana?
Apple.
Come on, Zuri.
Yellow.
Yellow. Good job.